Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick and Partners along with Bob Iacino. Bitcoin moving sideways. Then we had the concept of here 8 pushing the price and dropping down, then recovering very quickly, spiking through next major level of 34.89. Just below that, didn't get bound toward 34.63, coming back up. Back into support, then coming up, testing the 50 period exponential, and now rotating back down. So, right now, just going to update these levels. With this big move, we can now update and see what else is going down. So, first level of key support, if we come down, would be about 35.92 to 3600 right in here. Then we'd be watching right around this 35.63. If we drop below that, then I'd be going back to the 3500 area. And below the most recent lows, then we're looking for a cluster 34.08 to 34.23 and then 33.73. We'll take a look at the daily chart for key resistance levels along with some of these GAN areas. You can also do a projection. Let me get this, and we come from here now. If you want to some minor levels up, you can do it from this spike low, which did form another clear divergence. 37.01 and then 37.27 are some minor levels. The major areas, let's take a look here. So spiking up just to the 8 and dropping back. Watch to see if we can get a close above the 8, which is coming in at 36.65. That would move it. Not really bullish, but more of a, we might get a little more continued rally. Both these levels are within the rotation zone. The upper end of the rotation zone is right by key resistance, which is coming in at 37.60. So that's sort of the way Bitcoin's looking back into this consolidation area, but we still have the downward sloping rotation zone. So it's still in bearish mode unless we can close more into the rotation zone, which would make it, and you'd have to be a very aggressive bull to want to trade against it, but it could mean we could see a rally to the other side. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum also spiking down. We have 112.22, the low here. 112.34. We're going to update these. Same thing, forming a divergence just like Bitcoin. So we had a lower low, higher low in the RSI, then rally up to the other side of the rotation zone, going slightly through it, and now rotating back down. Can also, if you wanted the minor levels on Ethereum, same thing. Now we've got a pullback. Next minor level would be 123.15 and 124.35 on any rally. Key support now coming in, first level 119. If we fell through that, we were watching for about 117.38 to see if those hold. And if those don't hold, then looking back to the 114.61 area. Again, we're still in bearish mode also on Ethereum. You'd need really a close about this above about 123 to at least start entering into the rotation zone. Then we'd be watching for that 125 to about 126 area and back through there 128. Looks like we also have a divergence set up on the daily basis, so nothing really to do unless you get some bullish traction into the rotation zone, and then that'd be very aggressive with moving up stops for any longs. There's no clear bottoming pattern besides this divergence though. So just again, trade carefully in these. Let's go down to the lower levels and see where we sit now. If this low does not hold, we got 109.57 to 109.73 major cluster, then next minor level 106.81. So we have here on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.